PayPal is actually available in Nigeria, but not in the way you all think. A Nigerian PayPal account is not like a UK PayPal account or US PayPal account. You cannot just do stuff the way you like. There has to be some process, and that is what I want to explain today in this particular video. Please, where's the withdraw button? How can I add my account details so that I can place my withdraw? I want to withdraw my funds, all those kind of stuff like that. So people are actually going through a lot, you understand? And this is because they don't know how it actually works. Earlier this year or late last year, PayPal announced they are stretching into African countries. For some reason, they left Nigeria years now, and we have been suffering, we have been losing money, and we have been losing a lot of clients, a lot of jobs because of PayPal. So they decided to come back, but not on their own. They came back through a partner, and that is the partner you need if you want your PayPal account to work smoothly. First thing is for you to create a PayPal account. We're just going to click on the PayPal right there. Now, once you click on that, they're going to open this page for you. You have different options right here. You can create a PayPal account. You can see sign up for free. Let me click on that. You're going to see this arrow right here at the top. So that arrow right there. Now, once I click on that, you're going to see that these are different countries that has PayPal right here. Different country. We are using Nigeria right here. We are using Nigeria, you understand? We are doing everything legit, so no mago. So come down here, input your email address that you want to use to register the PayPal account. Create a new email. If you don't have an extra email, all what you have, you can use all the short-term email, but it might affect you. Fill in the form and you get started. If you want to see step by step on how to go about this, I made a video about this, so just go check it out, you understand? But I'm not going to go through all this today. So all what I'm going to do is just for me to log in into my PayPal account. That video is very important. Just make sure to check it. I'm going to pin it in the comment section for you or in the description of this particular video. So do well to go check it out. Me, I already have my PayPal account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in into my PayPal account right here, and let me show you guys how you need to use PayPal the right way. After you create your account, what you have to know is that first of all, Nigerian PayPal is really boring. The page is not even long enough, and this is just all what you see. Now, secondly, whenever you see that alert on the top of your screen, all what you have to do, just click on this notification icon. You're going to see this particular notification account, so you have to verify your account. Is very important. Once you create the PayPal account, you think everything is over. It's actually not over, because you have to verify your ID card and your address is very important. So after you're done with the verification, then your account will be okay. The truth is that this might actually work, this might not work. Okay, now the next thing for you to do is for you to download an app called Paga. The reason why most of your PayPal accounts are actually not working is because you're using it the wrong way. So PayPal came to Nigeria, but not on their own. They are coming back with this particular platform right here called Paga. So it's actually a partnership. So you cannot use PayPal in Nigeria and enjoy it without the Paga app. So download the Paga app. I'm going to drop the link below. You can download it directly from Google Play Store or from the App Store. Once you download it, sign up your account, and that is what I want to show you how you can do step by step. Remember, I already have my account, but I just deleted the app right now, so I have to install the app from Google Play Store and start the whole process all over again. After you download the app, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Two walls, one wallet. You can see global reach. You can see all these ones, pocket size, savings, big blah blah. So I'm just going to click on sign up. Okay, you can choose either a US account or a Nigerian account, but you can create a US account later. So I'm just going to go with Nigerian account right here. What you have to do is just for you to go ahead and put in the phone number that you want to use for you to create this particular account. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in the phone number that I want to use. So as you can see, there are actually 6 steps for you to complete the whole registration process. So you have to complete it. This is a fintech app, just like OPay, PalmPay, Gray, and all the other banks. So that is how Paga actually works too. So after you sign up your account, it's very simple. You verify your account, very simple. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to go ahead and log in into my account. I already have an account, and they are not allowing me to receive another verification code through my phone number again. So that is the problem I'm having right now. So the truth is that Paga is not like the best, you understand? It's not like the best because they have their own issues which they need to work on. But they are the ones that partner with PayPal, so we have to manage it the way it is. Just go ahead and fill in the rest of your details, like where you work, what you do for a living. They're going to ask you for your BVN. If they ask you, put it, because without a BVN you cannot use any fintech app in Nigeria or any bank account at all. Come here and explore the app on your own. If you want to, it's just a normal fintech app that you can use to send and receive payment. They have cards you can use for international payment and the rest. That's not what we want to talk about today, because what we want to talk about is actually PayPal. Now, they also have an option right here that you can actually create or link your PayPal account to this particular platform. How does that work? Once you come to your dashboard, or what you have to do, you're going to see these accounts at the top right corner, and you're going to see three options. The first one is your Nigerian account, the second one is PayPal account, and the third one is American account. So click on the PayPal account right here. Welcome to PayPal on Paga. Okay, Paga actually partner with PayPal right here. So if you have your own PayPal account, just connect it. But if you don't have, they are going to ask you to create one. If you create one from here, that will still be much more better. I'm going to recommend you create your PayPal account from Paga directly. You understand? That will be much more better. You can just go ahead and connect the PayPal account to your Paga account. So now you're going to see this particular place where they say connect to PayPal or connect PayPal account right here. Connect to global commerce with Paga and PayPal, blah blah blah. So just go ahead and click on connect. So they are going to send you an email code for you to verify your account. Now after you verify your account, log in to PayPal from Paga. PayPal account has been successfully connected. This is how my dashboard actually looks like. So any money I have in my PayPal account is going to appear here into my Paga account. Best part is that you can decide to convert it from this your dashboard to your Naira account without any stress. After that, just go ahead and download the PayPal app, log into your account, use that your email address, and start receiving payment from different people. You understand? It's very, very simple. Download Paga, create a PayPal account through Paga, or create PayPal account separately, connect it inside Paga, and your dashboard will be there. So anything you do in your PayPal account, you'll be seeing it inside Paga, because they have a partnership that allows them to intertwine their wallet or intersect their wallet so that you can see anything that is going on from your PayPal account inside your Paga account. This is the only way you can start using PayPal in Nigeria legitimately. Apart from this, there is no other way you can use a Nigerian PayPal account in Nigeria legitimately for now. Maybe later they might advance it, but for now this is what we have got. So download Paga from the link below and get started. Remember, Paga is just a fintech app like OPay and PalmPay and Kuda and the rest. You understand? You can use it for your transfers, you can use their card, and you can use it for so many other things if you want to use it as a fintech app naturally. They have their PayPal section. They even have a US dollar section where you can create a US account. So you can convert your Naira to dollar and keep it there. If Naira to dollar increase, you can sell it and still earn some profit if you want to do that. If you don't want to do that, just use it for your PayPal and let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you already been using this method? Just share your opinion down in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.